Everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create international QQ messaging account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so it's pretty simple. So if you want to register with QQ for business or personal needs, be aware that like other Chinese platforms and applications, QQ asks for a phone number for registration. However, you don't necessarily need a number from mainland China. The platform accepts numbers from different countries. So also, if you're not a Chinese speaker and do not plan to practice the language while using the application, they recommend using localized QQ International for creating a new QQ account. So to register with QQ International, follow this link im.qq.com/index/ then enter your nickname, password and phone number, then click on sign up now, continue and enter the code from a text message. Also, alternatively, you can also register by email. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.